Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to send a photo on Facebook Messenger, and now let's dive right in. Now, to send a photo on your Facebook Messenger to somebody on your account or your friends, let's open up our Facebook Messenger app over here first. And after opening your app, we are here on the Messenger's account. Now, in order to send a photo from over here, first open up any account or the chat head or the conversation of any person to whom you want to send a photo. And you can see guys over here, this is my friend over here to whom I want to send a photo. Now, to do that, after landing on the conversation box at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see there are a bunch of icons. One is a plus icon, another is a camera icon, and there is a gallery icon or a picture icon. Tap on that, and from over here guys, you will be able to access all of the photos available on your phone. And after that, to send the photo, please tap on any photo that you want to send. And after that, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there are two buttons. There it says, one is edit, another one is send. You can edit your photo from over here guys. You can add some text, some marking, some stickers. I won't be doing that, but at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the bunch of icons or through which you can edit the photo. And with that being done, let's go back. You can see guys, either you can send it from over here, which is the blue button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on send, or either after you have edited the photo, there is an airplane icon or a send icon available at the again bottom right corner of the screen. Either tap on that, and you can see guys, two photos has been sent to my friend. And guys, this is how we send a photo on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.